In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and generate gift cards in the Sales app. To get started, open the Sales app. Once you're there, look for the Products menu, then go to Gift Cards and e-wallet. This is the area where you can create and manage your gift card programs, as well as view any cards you generate later. Next, click New to create a new gift card program. You'll be taken to a setup page where you can define how the program will work. Begin by entering a program name. Choose a clear and recognizable name, since this will help you identify the program easily later, especially if you plan to create more than one. After that, make sure the program type is set to gift card. This is important because it tells the system that the program should function specifically as a gift card rather than another kind of loyalty or reward setup. Now select the gift card products that customers will be able to purchase. These are the items that represent your gift cards in the system, so make sure you choose the correct products tied to the values or options you want to offer. Then choose where the gift cards are available on, such as sales. This setting determines in which part of your workflow the gift cards can be used or sold. So take a moment to confirm it matches your business process. Once that's done, review the email template, currency, and any other program settings shown on the page. These details help control how the gift cards are communicated and processed, so it's a good idea to double-check everything before moving forward. Under the Rewards section, configure how the gift card value will be applied. This part defines how customers receive and use the balance, so set it up carefully according to how you want the gift card program to behave. When all of the settings look right, save the gift card program. Saving ensures the program is active and ready for the next step, which is generating the actual gift cards. At the top of the page, click Generate Gift Cards. A new window or form will appear where you can enter the gift card details, such as how many cards you want to create and the value assigned to each one. Fill in those details, then generate the cards. Finally, click the Gift Card Smart button to view and manage the generated gift cards. This is where you can review the cards you created and keep track of them moving forward. Thanks for watching.